Correct identification of continental porcelain can be grueling. Spurious marks are common. Why did the 19th century throw up so much decorative pottery? And why is it often not what you think it is? It all started here at Albrechtsburg Castle in 1710, when King Augustus II set up his well-protected Meissen porcelain factory, where figurines costing a fortune were created. The secrets of porcelain alchemy soon spread elsewhere: Ludwigsburg, Volkstedt, and later Sitzendorf. To own porcelain was evidence of upward mobility, and everyone wanted some of that. It wasn't long before enterprising producers throughout Europe started to knock out decorative porcelain at a fraction of the cost. And just to confuse matters, these factories not only copied the look of Meissen figurines, but also the marks. Of all these, Edme Sampson in Paris was the most illustrious mimicker, copying with superlative craftsmanship every major producer in Europe and Britain.